it's Inktober day 5, and today's theme or topic is chicken. And if you have already been following me throughout this Inktober 2018 journey, you know that I made a half-cooked chicken for the theme roasted, and so I'll be making a chicken again for the chicken theme. And before, I thought I wanted to make small chicken, the hen, the cock, and the chickens, the smaller ones. But then I thought of a pun that was hot chicken, and so I put my chicken or actually it's so I drew it in a hot bowl of sauce, I guess, and wanted to finish the pan with hot chick, but I didn't complete it. You'll see that I forgot to write, so it just ended being in a pool, actually a ball of something, and though the shading is good, but it's still incomplete. And here I am using my pilot pen because I love it. The 0.0 nib is perfect and it's cheap. So yeah, and finishing it with some white roller jelly to add some details. And here is my oh god, I'm not finishing that sentence. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.